In front of me is HUAWEI MatePad Pro 12.6, and today I would like to show you how you can use pop-up view on this device. First of all, you need to open one of your apps that you wish to use in this view, in my case browser. Then click on this square button over here and click on this little icon at the top right corner of your app. As you can see now, I can use it in this little window over here. If you wish to move it around, you can do that by holding this line and dragging it. In order to make it small, click on Home button. Then you can access it by tapping on the bubble. If you wish to move the bubble though, you need to hold it and drag it as well. In order to make your app full screen, you need to click on the top left corner of it. In order to close it, click on the top right one. You can also click on Home button, select the bubble and drag it to the bin icon. Then let go. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!